sets does not cause more hypertrophy than one set in the long run, and one set might cause more hypertrophy than two sets in the long run. See, everybody says that two sets causes more hypertrophy than one set, but they don't explain how it does. See, all more volume is going to do is you're going to give the muscle fibers trained on that exercise some more of a mechanical tension stimulus. And you're not going to give more of a stimulus to all the fibers because you're going to have less muscle fibers recruited on the second set compared to the first set because of CNS fatigue. All giving some more of a mechanical tension stimulus to those muscle fibers is going to do is just grow those muscle fibers a bit faster. But no matter what, all muscle fibers have a cap in size, so regardless, you're going to reach that cap in size in the long run. So it's going to be the same growth in the long run, but doing more volume, you're just going to reach that cap in size a bit faster. This is why I keep telling people to do more exercises to bias more regions instead of doing more sets of the same exercise, so that you're able to then grow more muscle fibers, and thus you're going to have more muscle fibers grown in the long run, which causes more gains in the long run compared to doing more volume, which is not going to cause more gains in the long run. And then you also have to realize that each subsequent set that you do for a muscle fiber is significantly less stimulating, like less than half as stimulating as the previous one, based off of the Schoenfeld meta-analysis. However, doing another set to bias another region, and thus recruiting more muscle fibers, those new muscle fibers that you're recruiting with this new exercise, is getting a first set stimulus. The reason why I said that doing one set instead of doing more sets for an exercise might actually lead to more gains in the long run is because doing single sets per exercise can be more motivating, and it being more motivating can lead to more motivating recruitment, and you're recruiting more muscle fibers, growing more muscle fibers, more gain in the long run. And you can literally test this. Like, all of you guys that do multiple sets for an exercise, go to the gym and try just doing one set for every single exercise instead of doing multiple sets, and see how many reps that you add. Yeah, we are all doing single sets per exercise and doing more exercises instead of doing more volume for an exercise.